A copper IUD, or intrauterine device, is a small T-shaped medical device placed inside the uterus by a healthcare professional. It provides long-term contraception and can remain effective for several years. Unlike hormonal contraceptives, the copper IUD works without releasing hormones into the body. Once inside the uterus, the copper surface slowly releases tiny amounts of copper ions. These ions create an environment that is unfavorable for sperm. The copper remains localized within the reproductive tract and serves as the primary mechanism through which the device prevents pregnancy. One of the most important effects of copper is its impact on sperm. The presence of copper ions reduces sperm mobility and function. As a result, sperm become less capable of traveling through the reproductive tract and reaching an egg. This significantly lowers the chances of fertilization occurring. The copper IUD also triggers a localized immune response within the uterus. Immune cells become more active in the area surrounding the device. This response contributes to an environment that is hostile to sperm, making it even more difficult for sperm cells to survive long enough to reach an egg. Because sperm function is greatly reduced, fertilization is far less likely to occur. In most cases, sperm never successfully reach the egg. By preventing sperm from effectively performing their role, the copper IUD helps stop pregnancy before fertilization can take place. One reason copper IUDs are widely used is their long-lasting effectiveness. Once inserted, they can provide reliable pregnancy prevention for many years. Unlike methods that require daily attention, the copper IUD works continuously without requiring regular action from the user. A major advantage of the copper IUD is that its effects are reversible. When the device is removed by a healthcare professional, its contraceptive action ends. Fertility can return quickly, allowing pregnancy to occur if desired. The copper IUD is considered one of the most effective forms of reversible contraception available. Its effectiveness comes from several mechanisms working together, including reduced sperm movement, decreased sperm survival, and changes within the uterine environment that make fertilization unlikely. The copper IUD prevents pregnancy by creating conditions that interfere with sperm function. Copper ions reduce sperm movement and survival, while a localized immune response further limits the chances of fertilization. Together, these effects make it extremely difficult for sperm to reach and fertilize an egg. This provides long-lasting, hormone-free contraception and makes the copper IUD one of the most effective pregnancy prevention methods available. The copper IUD is a remarkable example of how a small medical device can provide long-term contraception through simple biological mechanisms. By understanding how it works inside the reproductive system, we gain a better appreciation of modern reproductive health technology. If you found this documentary helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more realistic human anatomy and medical science content.